Hey, I'm Jeremy Ashburn. I've got Stacy Worcester with me with Green Cleaning Seattle. How you doing, Stacy?
I'm doing just fine, Jeremy. Thank you.
So you are obviously with Green Cleaning Seattle, and you guys are a cleaning company based in the Seattle area. And I'm sure you get this question a lot. What is green cleaning, and why do I even need green cleaning?
Yeah, it's a great question. There's lots of options that people have to choose from with cleaning in the city, including other green cleaning options. However, what we focus on is restoring surfaces of your home back to their original condition, scrubbing surfaces that need it, getting all those dusty areas caught up, and then also not leaving behind a toxic chemical residue. And so with conventional cleaning, surfaces may be bright and shiny, and but you're usually going to be walking into some kind of a soup of toxic chemicals left over. And especially if you have pets or kids that are walking around on your floor, those chemicals can be absorbed through your skin and breathed in. And so we focus on leaving your home clean without that residue left over.
And those harsh chemicals. I mean, I've heard this before that as soon as you touch a surface that has it on it, it's being absorbed directly into your skin, and so that's toxic. It can cause dis-ease or whatever, right? All kinds of bad things. So
Yes.
so I assume that being green is probably like one of the big reasons people come to you. Did you guys start off with that green initially?
Yes, absolutely. We've been green from the start. When Gia Bassett started it in 2008, that was her focus right off the bat. And we've changed some of our products along the way, but all of them have remained non-toxic, plant-based. Our main cleaner is BioClean, which is a really effective cleaner, but it has no fragrance in it, and it is a citrus-based cleaner. And so we've tweaked things over the years, but cleaning in a non-toxic way has always been our focus.
Well, awesome. So if you want to learn more, you can give these guys a call directly at 206 307 2270 or greencleaningseattle.com. And also there's a quote online. So you can get a quote online or you can call, right?
That's exactly right. Yep.
So I would just give these guys a call if you're looking for a green cleaning solution and you don't want to have anything toxic in your home. And thanks a lot for your time, Stacy.
Thank you so much, Jeremy.